Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a lesson. Before that, tell me answer. Where does your mother go to buy vegetables? Can you tell me from where your mother buy vegetables? Yes, from vegetable market. Your mother bring the vegetables from the market. Now tell me the second answer. What do people give in return of goods they buy? What they give in return when they buy the goods? Yes, they give money in exchange of the goods. So here we are having a lesson. In this lesson, there are two merchants who buy and sell goods. Okay, now let's start. Once upon a time, in a place called Seri, there lived a merchant. He went from town to town selling pots and pans and other things made up of brass and tin. In a village called Seri, there was a merchant who sold pots and pans. It is made up of brass and tin. Okay, so he went from town to town to sell his goods. He traveled every day with another merchant who also sold brass and tin wares. He also went with another merchant day after day. Okay, so he sold tinware and brassware. He traveled from one village to the another village. What is the meaning of brass? Bright yellow metal made by combining copper and zinc. Now the meaning of greedy. What is the meaning of greedy? Showing an intense and selfish desire for wealth or power. Number 3. Merchant. A person or company involved in wholesale trade. You have to write this meaning in your notebook. Okay, my dear students? I am explaining you the meaning. You have to write it in your notebook. So, when two merchants went into a town to sell their goods in the same lane, they went into the same town but in a different lane to sell their merchandise. Merchandise means the things whatever they want to sell. So they went in a different lane. They exchanged the goods. That was the time there was no money. So what they are doing? They do exchange of goods. Second merchant thought it was an brilliant idea. So the second merchant thought that the idea was very brilliant, that we will exchange the goods in place of one thing to the another. People come out to their doorsteps and bought or trade with them. Then they come and call tinware for sale, brassware for sale, and people come out and they exchange the things. In those days, people did not always use money to buy things. Sometimes they exchange things of the same value because they don't have money, so they exchange the things of same value. They give something and they take something from the merchant. So same happens with them also. In one house there lived a poor old woman and her granddaughter. The family had once been rich, but now the only thing they had left of all their riches was a dish made up of gold. In a village there was a grandmother who lived with a granddaughter, and before they were very rich, but now they are poor and they are having only the golden dish which is very valuable in their house. Okay, so they want to buy something, so they will exchange the golden dish with the merchant. However, the grandmother did not know it was a golden dish, but the grandmother don't know the dish is of gold. So, what is the meaning of street? A public road in a city, town, or village. Business, a person's regular occupation, profession, or trade. Number 3, shelf, a flat length of wood attached to a wall. Now, one of the merchants passed this house calling, "Buy my water jars, buy my pans, buy my tinwares." The granddaughter said, "Oh grandmother, do buy something for me." So, one merchant comes to the doorstep of grandmother and he called to purchase things from him. So, the granddaughter said to the grandmother, "Oh grandmother, buy something for me. Can you buy something for me?" "My dear," said the old woman, "we are too poor to buy anything. I have not anything to trade even. Grandmother, see, I have found this old dish among other pots and pans on the shelf." She told to grandmother that, "Oh grandmother, we are having an old dish that we will give, and we will purchase the pots and pans from the merchant. Can you buy something for me in exchange of this old dish?" The old woman called the merchant and showed him the dish, saying, "Will you take this, sir, and give the little girl here something for it?" The grandmother called the merchant and told him that if you will buy this old dish and give something for it. The merchant took the dish and scratched its side with a needle. He came to know immediately that it was a golden dish. He took the dish from the grandmother and scratched with a pin. So he come to know that it was a golden dish. So what he has done, immediately he take it from the women, scratched, mark the surface of with a sharp or pointed object. Immediately means as soon as or instantly. Needle, very thin object that has a sharp point at one end and a hole for thread. So what happens? The grandmother took that plate and gave it to the merchant to exchange the goods. He threw the dish on the ground and went away. The crafty merchant was planning to come back. The merchant was very greedy. So what he has done, he threw the dish on the ground and went away. He was showing that the dish is of no use. So he threw away the dish and he planning that he will come back and he will exchange the goods, but he don't want to show. After a while, another merchant finished the round of his street and entered the street where the old lady lived. So what happens the next? He threw the dish and went away. So it was the time that the second merchant comes to the street where the old lady lived. He came to the lady. The little girl heard him and begged her grandmother to see what this merchant would give for the dish. So the granddaughter was very small and she is very eager to buy something in exchange of the old dish. So he begged her grandmother to see what this merchant would give. What is the meaning of riches? Wealth, valuable things. Crafty, cunning, clever but dishonest. Begged means request. Wares, articles or things for sale. The things the merchants sold is called as wares. We can say it. "My child," said the grandmother, "the merchant who was just here threw the dish on the ground and went away." Mother said grandmother said to the granddaughter. But grandmother said the girl, "This one looks pleasant. Ask him, perhaps he will give us something for it." So the granddaughter told the grandmother that this merchant is another merchant. He will give us something. As soon as the merchant took the dish in his hand, he knew it was a gold. Immediately he said, "This is a golden dish." The merchant was very honest. He said, "This is a golden dish, and I am not having anything to give in return." So he immediately confessed that it is a golden dish because he was an honest merchant. The old woman was greatly surprised. She was impressed by the honest and goodness of the merchant. So the great lady was very impressed with the honest merchant because he is very honest and he is having goodness in him. So the lady was very impressed by the honest merchant. The honest merchant kept all his wares and money with the old woman and took the dish. The honest merchant kept all the merchandise, all the wares with the old lady and took the dish with him because the worth of the golden dish is very high. After some time, the greedy merchant went back to the house where he had seen the golden dish. Now again, the greedy merchant came back and he wants to tell something to the old lady because he wants to show that your plate is having no value. "No," said the grandmother. "You said the dish was worthless. Another honest merchant has paid a great price for it." The grandmother replied to the greedy merchant that "You said my plate is having of no value, but there was an honest merchant and he paid a great price for my golden dish. You are a greedy person, so I don't want to give you my dish. I have given it to a honest merchant." So the greedy merchant stands there. Now this is the explanation of the lesson. Now you have to answer the following. Where did the merchant live? Answer. The merchant lived in a place called Seri. Number 2. What did the merchant sell? The merchant used to sell pots and pans and other things made up of brass and tin. Now question number 3. What did the honest merchant pay to the old woman for her golden dish? The honest merchant gave all his wares and money to the old woman for her golden dish. So in this you will write down all the meanings and the question answer whatever I have given, and this is your homework. Find the name of the following metals from the lesson. There are 4 metals in the lesson that you have to write.